Hey guys, in this video I'm going to compare Usemotion and Reclaim, two apps that help you plan your time and get more done. Let's break down the pros and cons of each so you can decide which one works best for you. Let's start with Usemotion. It's great for content creators, coaches, and solopreneurs who want to sell digital products fast. It's super simple to use, lets you build a clean sales page in minutes, and integrates well with Instagram or email. But it's limited if you're building a full brand or store. Now, let's talk about Reclaim. Reclaim is a smart calendar app that automatically schedules your tasks, meetings, workouts, and even downtime based on your priorities. It's perfect if you're busy and want to protect your focus time. But if you like full control over your schedule, it might feel too hands-off. So which one is better? If you're a creator looking to sell fast and easy, go with Usemotion.com. If you're trying to take back control of your time and automate your calendar, Reclaim is the way to go. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.